Downloading account statements on Paytm is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your transactions easily. Follow these steps to quickly obtain your statements. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Launch the Paytm app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Passbook. On the home screen, look for the Passbook option, usually found in the menu or at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to view your transaction history. Step 3. Select the date range. In the Passbook section, you will find options to filter your transactions. Choose the date range for which you want to download the statement, such as last 30 days or a custom range. Step 4. Download the statement. After selecting the desired date range, look for the download or export option. Tap on it, and your account statement will be generated in a downloadable format, typically PDF or CSV. Step 5. Save or share the file. Once the statement is downloaded, you can either save it to your device or share it via email or other apps as needed. Ensure you keep it in a secure location for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily download your account statements from Paytm. Regularly checking your statements can help you manage your finances more effectively.